Devello Studio, your code in the cloud. Welcome to Devello Studio, where your code is authored, maintained, debugged, and released in the cloud, nowhere other than in your browser. Immediately start development, without having to change your habits. Everything is already located where it needs to be. Develop as you are working in your favorite desktop editor. Determine what you want to see: code, result, or both. Real-time preview controllable according to your needs. Here a short tour of what Devello Studio has to offer. File menu including items for creating, opening and closing projects and files. Editor-related tasks. Here you can toggle UI elements. Cool options are all under this menu: embed your project, deploy it to FTP or GitHub, sync it with GitHub, and much more in Toolbox. An elegant way for managing files in big projects. Login to unlock our extra features. Stay tuned for more, you will be impressed.